Now let us continue one more example. So 2, 3 dibromo 2-butene. Now for this compound we are adding hydrogen in presence of platinum dioxide catalyst, so that the bromine are on the top side, methyl are on the bottom side. Then therefore their position does not changes. The hydrogens are on the bottom side only, so they are on same side, means it is a syn addition. Now if we use Wilkinson catalyst, then positions are not changed, the hydrogens are on the same side, therefore it is a syn addition product. By using of platinum dioxide, platinum carbon, so therefore the positions are does not changes, so the product is same. So by using of palladium carbon mixture, then the positions are not changed, so the same product is formed. So with the help of Raney nickel also same product is formed. But by using of sodium liquid ammonia, the positions are generally changes. So therefore, here bromine comes here. So here CH3 comes. So therefore the positions are generally changed. That is bromine, they are in the trans position. Methyl, they are on the trans position. Hydrogen, they are on trans position. So therefore by using of all these reagents, syn addition takes place. But by using of sodium liquid ammonia, the trans product, reverse product is generally formed. So therefore generally by using of these hydrogenating agents such as Raney nickel, palladium carbon, platinum dioxide, Wilkinson catalyst, the hydrogenation takes place through syn addition, so that the products generally form, they have a mixture, it is called as racemic mixture. बोलो तो ये सिन एडिशन में हाइड्रोजनेशन को किया तो हाइड्रोजन ऐड किया तो then it forms a mixture. The mixture it is generally called as racemic mixture. So racemic mixture means it contains some dextro product and it contains some levo product. So dextro product means D plus, levo product means 2 minus. So dextro products means the products which rotates the plane of polarized light towards right hand side. Levo products means the products which rotates the plane of polarized light towards left hand side. तो dextro product आता है, levo product आता है, so which rotates plane of polarized light, वो light को right hand side में conversion करता है. These products they diverts the plane of polarized light towards the left hand side. So therefore in the syn addition it forms a mixture called as racemic mixture, since it contains D plus and L minus. So therefore generally the dextro and levo isomers they contain same molecular formula, but they differs only in the orientation of the groups. बोलो तो ये रेसिमिक मिक्सचर में डेक्स्ट्रो प्रोडक्ट रहता है, लीवो प्रोडक्ट रहता है, but it contains the same molecular formula, but they deviates in the rotation of the rotation of the groups only. So therefore, so if you consider one more example, so I am taking 1, 2 dibromoethene. So I am taking this example 1, 2 dibromoethene, where 2 bromines are on the same side. So therefore, for this compound we are adding palladium carbon mixture syn addition. Then the 2 hydrogens are on the same side, 2 bromines are on the same side. Bromine का position change नहीं हुआ था. So the hydrogens we are added, they are on the same side. Therefore it is a syn compound, it is syn addition it is. So therefore if you observe closely, the 2 hydrogens are on the bottom side. Bottom side means it is called as right hand side. Bottom side में रहे तो right hand side बोलते हैं हम. So 2 hydrogens are on the bottom side, means they are on the right hand side, means it is D plus isomer. Whereas in this compound the 2 hydrogens were added, they are on the top side, means they are on the left hand side. Left hand side means L minus isomer. So therefore whenever we do the syn addition, then the position of the hydrogen atom, they may be on the bottom side, they may be on the top side, they may be on the right hand side, they may be on the left hand side. So right hand side में रहे तो D plus, bottom side में, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में रहे तो टॉप साइड में रहे तो L माइनस होता है. So therefore it forms a D plus isomer. L minus isomer means it is a racemic mixture 1. Now similarly, by using of platinum dioxide, syn addition takes place. Means 2 hydrogens are on the bottom side, right hand side, D plus isomer. 2 hydrogens are on the top side, means it is L isomer. It is also a racemic mixture. Similarly, by using of Raney nickel, syn addition takes place. Means right hand side, left hand side, D plus isomer, L minus isomer. By using of platinum plus carbon mixture, syn addition takes place. 2 hydrogens are on the bottom side, right hand side. 2 hydrogens are on the left hand side, means they are on the top side. So D plus isomer, L minus isomer. Now whereas by using of Wilkinson's catalyst, rhodium, tristriphenyl phosphine chloride, 2 hydrogens are on the same side, they are on the bottom side, means right hand side. 2 hydrogens are on the top side, means left hand side, means this is a D plus isomer, it is L minus isomer. Therefore it forms a racemic mixture 1. So therefore whenever we do the hydrogenation in presence of Wilkinson's catalyst, platinum carbon mixture, Raney nickel, platinum dioxide, palladium carbon mixture, then it forms a syn addition product, means it forms a racemic mixture 1, where 2 hydrogens are on the bottom side, right hand side, D plus isomer, 2 hydrogens are on the top side, means left hand side, L minus isomer 1.